Good evening to all and welcome to the session. In this session, I'm going to talk about the new course I'm going to launch on 20th of this month. The name of the course is Foundation Course for All Competitive Exams, and this course goes with English language, general English. When we talk about competitive exams, any competitive exam, there are three important areas. One, quant, second, reasoning, and third, English. For many candidates, quant is not a problem, reasoning is not a problem, English is a major hurdle, English is a major problem. The reason for that, many candidates have the rural background, they are not convent educated, and they find English very difficult when it comes to competitive exams. Keeping that in mind, I have designed the foundation course, and this course goes with all the competitive exams. Again, when it comes to English language, there are three areas. One, grammar, that is a foundation. Second, reading comprehension skill, that is a deciding factor. And the third one, vocabulary. Now, when you enroll in this course, you will master eight important areas. First one, English grammar. I'm going to teach all the important topics that go with English grammar from competitive exams point of view. There are about 15 to 16 topics I'll be teaching in a systematic way. The second one, you're going to master 200 grammar rules. So, exam point of view, you have to learn 200 grammar rules along with the concepts that go with English grammar. I will be teaching 200 grammar rules. And the third one, the most important, reading comprehension skill. For many candidates, reading comprehension skill is a problem because they don't read the magazines, they don't read the newspaper. So here I'll be giving the tips how to master reading comprehension skill. And when it comes to the mains exam, the deciding factor is there are two factors. One, reading comprehension skill, and along with that, contextual awareness. And along with these two, the third dimension, vocabulary. And it is an ocean. In English, we have about 8 lakh words. Then you may wonder how many words do we have to learn? Exam point of view, you have to learn about 10,000 effective words. Again comes the question from the 8 lakh, which 10,000? The source for that, English newspapers. When you read the headlines, when you read the editorials, you will come across effective words that go with effective English. In the exam, they touch the same contexts and the same words. And today we are talking about new patterns, especially when it comes to bank exams. In this course, I'll be touching new patterns and what are those patterns, how to handle questions based on new patterns. Then every topic, first I teach the concepts, I teach the rules, and after that, every topic, topic wise questions, I'll make you practice. And the next one, after practicing all the topics, I will make you practice exam topics. Exam topics are very important. Coming to the course features, the classes I'm going to touch all the aspects of English language from the basics to advanced level. Then all the topics, topic wise tests and explanations. Then the course is a live batch. All the classes are going to be live classes and not recorded videos. Then I'll be talking about exam topics as well as explanations related to exam topics tests. And coming to the course fee is affordable. It is 3,000. And right now there's an offer 10% off till 21st May 2023. And the validity of the course is for 6 months. Now let us have a look at the topics covered and how I take you guys. I'll be teaching in a systematic way. I will start with orientation. What is English language from the exam point of view? What is the syllabus? How to cover, how to master, and how to get maximum marks when it comes to English. The very first day I'll be doing orientation, and then I'll be focusing on parts of speech. You all know in English language, when it comes to English grammar, you must have learned already, there are eight parts of speech. But of these eight parts of speech, one is not important from the exam point of view. Which one is that? Interjection. But nouns, pronouns, verbs, one group, very important. With these three, we can give information, but we cannot give a lot of information. The next group, adjectives and adverbs. If you wonder why these two one group, they have the same function, describing function. They are known as describing words. And then we have prepositions, conjunctions. These are very important. They are known as functional words. No meaning, only a function. How do I teach all these topics, parts of speech? First, I teach the concepts, then I teach the rules, then I make you practice questions based on the topic. But along with that, after teaching the concept, first I start with the definition. Then my style of teaching, I teach with the help of mind maps. In brief, every topic there are important dimensions. So I present all the dimensions and I take each dimension and teach in a systematic way, but the focus will be more on rules. You may ask, sir, why? In the exam, they ask questions based on rules. And from the exam point of view, you have to learn about 200 grammar rules. I'll be teaching all the 200 grammar rules. After parts of speech, then we go to articles. That is also an important topic. Then we go to core grammar. And here you have about 7 to 8 topics. These topics are very important. A bit of intelligence is required. And once you master tenses, I always tell students tenses are the key to English grammar. If you master tenses, you can master all other topics like question tags, conditionals, voice, speech, types of sentences, conquered. All these topics you can master effortlessly. Then we have two important topics. Many candidates are not aware of these. One is redundancy, and the other one is parallel expression. So all these topics will be covered. Then we have reading comprehension skill. When it comes to reading comprehension skill, passage is the most important. I'll be touching passage. Here I'll give the tips how to read the passage and what do they test, what do they expect from the candidates. There are 5 areas. I'll be teaching all the 5 areas. Close test, parajumble, scrambled sentences. All these topics depend on reading comprehension skill. Every topic, initially I'll be giving the tips. Every topic you have to ask the question, what is tested? Based on that, I will tell you guys there are 4 areas or 5 areas they touch, and accordingly you have to prepare. That is what precisely we call exam approach. Then I'll be touching a few exam topics like these are only to give you an idea: sentence improvement, fillers, phrase replacement, error location. All these go with exam topics. When it comes to vocabulary, that is an ocean. You have to learn about 10,000 effective words. And there are two sources. One, you can take each topic, learn about 200 or 300 words, one approach. But the best approach, you have to learn from the Hindu paper, editorials, because you can learn from the context. That way, that is the best approach because if you learn words from a context, easy to remember, easy to recollect. So foreign words not that important, but here you can see idioms, one word substitutes, phrasal verbs. These are all very important. Fixed prepositions, synonyms, antonyms, confusing words, misspelled words. So how do I teach all these topics? I bring important idioms in the form of questions, or first I may give the list of important idioms. Then I'll make you practice in the form of questions the meanings of important idioms. Same approach goes with one word substitutes, phrasal verbs, fixed prepositions, synonyms, antonyms, and confusing words to some extent important. But when it comes to banks, misspelled words, there's a separate topic. Misspelt or inappropriate words, that is an exam topic. Usually it goes with prelims. I'll be touching that topic as well. If you wonder why with Murthys, why with us, I have 25 years of teaching experience and I have trained thousands of students. I'm known for my systematic teaching, for exam centric approach. Whatever I teach from the exam point of view, nothing more, nothing less. That saves your time and you'll always be on the track. And student centric approach. When we talk to students, when we teach students, any group, we have students at different levels. Each group is a heterogeneous group. So keeping that in mind, I teach from the student's point of view. And anytime the student can ask a question, I explain. I may try to rephrase or explain differently to make sure the student understands the concept as well as the rules. How to purchase this course? You have to go to the description of the video, click on the link Murthys English, download the app, go to courses, purchase the course. But I would like to tell you guys, you can purchase this course only on 20th of this month. Better if you purchase before 6 p.m. because the first day it is on 20th, the first session is at 6 p.m. These are live classes. Every day the time slot is 6 p.m. Each session 60 to 90 minutes and the duration of the course is 45 days. This is all about the foundation course I'm going to launch on 20th of this month. If at all you have questions, don't hesitate to call me on 703232 55990. I will repeat the number 703232 55990. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.